Welcome to Spicy Spirula, and today I'm give you an amazing recipe, air fryer fried eggs, a truly simple method for making fried eggs. They are one of my family's top choices, thus simple to prepare in the air fryer. The air fryer is one of my number one apparatuses. I love that it crisps up food without adding a great deal of additional oil. In this way, when I saw a recipe for air fryer fried eggs, I realized I needed to attempt it. The outcome was astounding: cushy eggs with a firm covering. In the event that you're searching for a solid breakfast choice, you really want to look at this recipe. Air fryer fried eggs. While this fried eggs air fryer recipe is clear, it's still a lot simpler to make a clump of eggs, mixed, on a skillet. Yet, on the off chance that you're on holiday or in a lodging, making eggs in the air fryer will provide you with an ideal plate of fried eggs. All you really want is a spot to connect it. While today I just made a basic bunch of fried eggs, the garnishes are unending. You might in fact have a fried egg bar, where everybody adds their own fixings for an extraordinary breakfast. For what reason you'll adore air seared fried eggs? Ideal for getaways and setting up camp. Prepared in minutes. Simple tidy up. Kid accommodating. Only 2 fixings. Elements for making eggs in air fryer. All you really want is a little oil and however many eggs as you need to cook. I had the option to cook 6 eggs in the skillet at one time, so be certain to cook in groups on the off chance that you want to make a bigger sum. Season with salt and dark pepper, or get more inventive with your flavors. You might really sprinkle some destroyed cheddar onto the fried eggs in the air fryer toward the end. The most effective method to make fried eggs in air fryer. Stage 1. Preheat the air fryer. Begin by preheating the air fryer. I added oil to my container and let it heat in the air fryer at 220 degrees Fahrenheit for around 1 moment. You can do likewise with spread, assuming that you like. Stage 2. Blend eggs in with preparing. Then in a little bowl, combine as one the eggs, salt, and pepper with a whisk or fork. Stage 3. Cook the eggs. Empty the egg blend into the dish with the dissolved spread, then place the container back high up fryer. Put down the point in time for 2 minutes. Following 2 minutes, scratch the container, then cook your fried eggs in the air fryer for an additional 2 minutes. Rehash until the eggs are done the manner in which you need. I will generally like mine a piece delicate, so 4 minutes is a lot of time. You might have to cook for 6 to 8 minutes complete to get them firm and cook the entire way through. Stage 4. Serve. When your seared fried eggs look done, plate them up and dive in. This moment's the opportunity to add any additional flavors or fixings you could like also. Expert tips. Watch the eggs cautiously. Since each air fryer is unique, yours strength be done quicker or could take considerably longer. Remember to mix. This helps the eggs really scramble and holds them back from becoming adhered to the skillet. Continuously use oil. It's vital to lube the skillet first while making eggs in the air fryer. Cooking splash or a touch of oil, canola or avocado, will finish the work, yet margarine works as well. Make them rich. On the off chance that you'd like, you can add a sprinkle of milk or cream to the eggs with the salt and pepper. Fixings and blend-ins for broiled fried eggs. The potential outcomes truly are huge, so get imaginative and attempt a few new flavors. Or on the other hand, set out different choices and let everybody single out their top picks. The following are a couple of thoughts to kick you off. Veggies, cleaved onion or ringer pepper would be a simple expansion. Or on the other hand, go through some extra squash or caramelized onions. New spices, chives and cilantro add a touch of newness to your plate. Hot sauce, kick things up an indent with a scramble or 2 of your number 1 hot sauce. Blend it in prior to cooking your fried eggs in the air fryer or add it whenever they're finished. Salsa, one more simple method for adding both intensity and veggies. Cheddar, sprinkle destroyed cheddar over the air fryer fried eggs during the last moment of cooking. Or then again blend it in not long prior to serving. Flavors, garlic and onion powder go with essentially everything. You might actually add some smoked paprika. What temperature would it be advisable for me to cook air fryer fried eggs? Actually the most minimal, the better. While this fried eggs air fryer recipe won't be quicker than utilizing your burner, it will work in the event that you are at an inn or holiday. I utilized 220 degrees Fahrenheit so the eggs were not rubbery, and I wouldn't suggest a higher temperature. If not, you will find your eggs look and taste like plastic. How would you store extra eggs? I truly would prescribe cooking exactly what you intend to eat, particularly in the event that you're not close to a cooler. All things considered, you can refrigerate extra air fryer fried eggs for as long as 2 days. Store in a sealed shut compartment and warm in the air fryer or microwave. The most effective method to cook air fryer bacon and eggs. Hoping to make a speedy group of fried eggs and bacon, the ideal American breakfast? Since we are involving a low temperature for the eggs, I suggest that you cook the fried eggs in the air fryer first prior to making a group of bacon. If you enjoy my recipe video and you want more recipes ahead, subscribe my channel.